Alright everybody, this is Freehand called Cerbertimus earlier today. And he was on his way to buy some red diesel and he stopped by. Look what we accomplished. We have some panels removed. Side cover for the engine compartment. Windshield frame. That dude's an animal. Now we can get this stuck engine out. Last night I came out here and I got the high-low gear shift to move. The throw rod, unfortunately, is bent because somebody tried to force it at one time. The gear shift itself will go left and right, but I can't move it forward or rearward. I believe, Rob, what's the gear pattern on a Jeep?
Upper left is reversed.
Okay.
First is straight back. Second and third are on the right side.
Okay. So, Cerbertimus says straight forward in this position. Reverse, straight back is first, second, and then third. So those will get all freed up. Have a lot of rust issues. Now there's some... Oh, that's why it didn't come out. It's got another bolt there. A lot of guys are after this little piece of metal. I may have a bunch of them reproed. That'll help, but this is exciting. It's not really as hard as I thought it would be to get in here, but it still will be tight for my generously proportioned dimensions and age. Why can't I be smart when I'm 25? Skinny and nimble. So, yeah, this engine's coming out probably this weekend. Had a peek inside the fuel tank. There is a divider right about here, and then there was some rust on the walls there. Looked like surface rust. But the inside of this tank is still painted red, and there's probably, oh, I stuck my finger in it, probably about 2 inches of some very fresh lacquer, shellac. So if anybody wants any, I'll put it in a mason jar and save it for you. So there's some other pieces of sheet metal that need to come out, but you know, my gantry crane is just to the rear of my Silverado, and I can pull this forward a bit with the Silverado, and the gantry crane will be right over it, and I think I'll be able to get the engine right out. So next to come off, not today, is the voltage regulator, the support tray, the military senior oil filter will come off its bracket, and then I'll pull the transmission, and then we can start disconnecting throw rods and labeling, you know, marking them and all that good stuff. And it's a good savable engine. I'll still be able to have number 5 here. This is the cylinder that was stuck. I'll be able to have that broken free and probably sleeved, and then have another spare engine for whoever needs one. But that's it. Thanks for watching the prelim.